It has come to my attention that some of my viewers, don't like shorts. They avoid them. And I don't blame them. But I figured that was the best way to get information out. So here's the update so far. The motor, here's our new pilot. The motor, I used a bonnet style because I think it will help stabilize airflow. I could be completely wrong, but I think it will. The motor is canted at almost the same angle as the prop engine would be, and is in line with the wing for the most part. I did a thrust test on the stand. It didn't tilt forward at all. If anything, it pushed down and forward, which is exactly what we're hoping for. So, that being said, this is starting to look like what every sky surfer is supposed to look like, I guess. like Kermit the Frog trying to say something. But I wanted to give you a video to let you know what was going on. Everything's internal. The wiring is in there. It's visible, but it's that really stiff, solid copper wire. So it's not going to move back into the fan, so don't worry about that. But everything looks good and internal. And just, true to form, like I said, with every sky surfer, it's usually hot glue or tape. In my experience, I used to have the Super Sky Surfer, and that's the one that I liked the most. I enjoyed it so much. I do have a short out that's worth watching. It's called My Most Epic Touch and Go Ever, that I did with the 2400 millimeter, I think, Sky Surfer. And oh man, I miss that plane so much. I mean, I put a bigger motor on it, bigger prop, cut it down so it would fit, and I just loved it. That was like a brutally tough plane. It really was. But this is the next test case. And again, we are running these. Nice, if I can get them up here and show you. Get the camera to focus. Focus! Okay. CNHL, 2200 milliamp, 70C. They fit perfectly in there, and they give me a center of gravity that is right where it needs to be. Right here. And with this new ductwork and where the engine is, the CG is actually perfect where it is now. So, tomorrow, we're going to do the test flight, and then I'm gonna try and kind of just toss it straight with just a tad bit of power and see if she glides down and lands flat. Just to kind of test it first before I go, half throttle and then throw it straight in the air, just in case it wants to nose in. But this is going to be funny. I hope you survive, my brave pilot. We're all counting on you.